Open page number 145. Once again, good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, please, I request everyone to join on time because till now it's 11:05. There are 38 only. And I'm going to take their attendance just right now so that
Good morning.
I can also able to see that how many of you are joining on time. See, I have taken the attendance of these many children and still children are joining. So please, I request everyone to join your class on time. Okay, now I request everyone to open page number 145. Page number 145. I think Vedi never sit with preparation in her classes. Page 145. It's my request to everyone to sit with your notebooks and books and your geometry box every day. Vedi, you never sit prepare with your bag and your notebooks in your class. Every day the teacher has to remind you, please open your notebook, please bring your notebook, please open it. Why this is happening, Vedi, every day? Vedi, are you listening me? Next time, I think.
Vaidi, you have to
Sorry,
answer.
sorry, spelling is also wrong.
She always sends something like this only.
Yes. Please mute your mic, everyone, now. Okay, everyone is ready with the page number 145? What is written on page number 145? What are we going to learn in this chapter? On this page?
Post office, about the post office.
Yeah, Vivan, can you tell me?
Cost of 1 kg book.
Can you tell me in our last class we have discussed about the post office and I explain you what is the use of this post office in kilogram and gram in this chapter, in the weight chapter. What is the use of the post office? Why are we learning? Please switch on your camera first. Yes, Vivan, please switch off on your camera and then explain me. Can I move to other child, Vivan?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Please explain. Turn on your camera first.
ma'am, I have turned on my camera.
Okay, now tell.
Ma'am, what you said, can you repeat?
I am telling that why we are relating the post office related with the weight. Why are we learning in this chapter about the post office? This chapter is related with the measurement of weight, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So why we are connecting the post office here? That we have already discussed in our last class.
Ma'am, because they can measure the postcards, how many kgs or how many grams, and then they will do the total and how many money they have to give that. That's why they have post this.
When you put the letters, when you post the letters somewhere, when you post the letters on the long distance, right? Or when you give the parcels, parcels also go from post office. So when we are
Yes.
sending parcel from one person to another person or from one place to another place, the parcel go according to the weight wise. There is no fixed charges that whether it is a big parcel also the price is same, whether it is a small parcel the price is same. No, as I explained in my last class also, that it depends on the size and the weight of that parcel. The price depend on the weight of that parcel. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So your first question is, have you ever been visited to the post office? If yes, write yes. If no, write no. And if you have not visited till now, if you get the time, please go and visit to the post office.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
I tell you
Yes,
one thing. Everyone who was in third have visited because
yes,
there was a picnic.
yes. No, it was not a picnic, it was a field trip. Field trip is an educational trip where school takes you to learn something. And I know that in grade 3 you all children visited to post office. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please write yes in the first blank. I'm going to present my screen and show you the page. What different things do people go there for? What different things do people go there for? For what do people go to the post office?
Ma'am,
Ayanj is telling, if one child is telling, you have to stop, please. Yes, Ayanj.
ma'am, to put letters.
To put letters and what else?
And ma'am, parcels.
Parcels. What else? You know, money orders.
Card.
Early days, there were no banks. So people were sending the money through post office only. That is called money orders. Right?
Ma'am,
For that also they visit to post office. Yes.
they visit for invitation card also.
Yeah. For any kind of invitation, if we want to post somewhere, we visit to post office and we put in this red box that is called letter box. Yes or no?
Yes,
ma'am.
And now
Means also.
Now the price is given. How much does a postcard? So the current rate of the postcard is 1.50, means 1 rupees 50 paisa. So please write the rate, the price of this postcard, which is the current price. Earlier the price was different, it was less maybe, but this is the current price, the postcard. You all know what is postcard?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how can we give paisa?
How
Ma'am,
can we?
give paisa. We don't have enough paisa coins.
So then I have explained in you my last class also. I think I explained to grade 5. Means if you don't have this paisa, what you will do? Then you will buy 2, round off. Okay. Then you will buy 2. You will use it for the next time.
Means we will give 1 rupees.
Yes.
So means we will give 1 rupees and next
No,
time.
you will buy 2 postcards for 3 rupees. 3, so you can give no 2 rupee coin and the 1 rupee coin.
We have to write this in notebook.
You have to write it in the textbook, the space which is given here, near to that. Understood, Rudra Mangokia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The price of an inland letter will go up from 75 paisa to rupee 1. Earlier it was 75 paisa, now it is rupee 1. While the price of envelopes has been doubled from 1 to rupees 2. The envelope price is now, it is not 1 rupee, it is 2 rupees. So please write the envelope price is 2 rupee, inland letter price is 1 rupee. Why it is RE written here, why it is rupees here, and now you know what is the new symbol for rupees? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
How we write the new symbol for rupees?
Ma'am, first we write the R. Ma'am, first we write the R in Hindi. Ma'am, R in Hindi. Ma'am, then we do 2 lines, one in between and one in the top.
Yes. So you all know how to write rupees now?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Earlier it was
Also.
earlier we were
Ma'am, I
writing.
don't know.
Vivan, you are saying?
Ma'am, earlier we were. Ma'am, and notes also it is written S dot.
Yes, earlier we were writing RS dot for rupee, and for singular 1 rupee we were writing RE. Now the symbol is changed. Vihan, you have a notebook in front of you and you show to them.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, of 10 rupee note, 100 rupee note, in all notes there are that symbol. Then symbol and written 200.
Let Vihan will show you which is the new symbol.
Ma'am, everybody.
Yes, someone is showing you here, Prisha.
Ma'am.
Prisha, Vihan, wait. Please wait.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C.
Ekant, mute your mic, please. Mute your mic, please. Yes, who is talking?
Ma'am, I have drawn my notebook.
Yes. Vivan, now you understood how to write?
Ma'am, see, I have written in text also.
Okay.
I know that.
So what you were asking then?
I don't know.
Very good, excellent. Now come down. This table is given in your textbooks, where the price of different postcards, different parcels of different weight is given. Am I clear here? Till now, here, am I clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now they are, okay, now listen. How to calculate the price of a parcel. Please pay attention here. It is very, very important. Look at the postal rates given in the chart. How much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? This is letter weighing prices given. For 20 grams or less than 20 grams, if it is 19 grams also, the price will be 5 only.
And can I say the answer?
No. Wait, Vivan. Let me explain to everyone. If it is 15 gram also, the price will be 5 only. Because it is already written here till 20 grams. Children, this is not fixed. This is depend on the price list. You will not stick that ma'am told us the 5 rupees only. No. As I told you before, the price of the post office for the postcards for these parcels different from state to state, country to country. Am I clear? But this is right now we are doing the example. Suppose here the table is given and according to the given table we have to solve the sum. Am I clear to everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if the weight of the car is about 20 grams, so
I will explain you that also. Wait a minute. I have not reached till there. I am explaining you step by step. So according to the list which is given, according to the example which we are doing, we have to follow that. Okay, if in exam or if in books, the list will change, you will do the calculation according to that list. Am I clear till here? Yes or no? Children, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the list which is given, we have to
Yes,
follow
ma'am.
this list. Now, what is given here? 20 grams or less than 20 grams. Who will tell me what do you understand by this word less than 20 or 20?
ma'am,
Please tell your name.
Rudra, mango kya?
Yes, Rudra Mangugia. Please explain to your friends.
Ma'am, 20 grams or less than means if the weight of the letter is 20 grams, then also we will give 5. And if less than 20 grams means if it 19, 18, 17, 10, then also we will give 5.
Yes, even it is the 5 gram also, then also you have to pay the 5 rupees. Am I clear? Means from 1 to 20, if the weight is there, then you have to pay the 5 rupees. Clear? Now, if it is more than 20 grams, if it is more than 20 grams, that also written here for every additional 20 grams means from 1, if we add 1 gram only. Now, if the weight is 21 gram, so what will be the price of 21 grams? Children, please tell me what will be the price of 21 grams?
4 rupees, ma'am.
Why 4 rupees?
Ma'am, 7 rupees. We And because if we add 20 grams, so it is taking 2. But we have added
No,
1.
that is the additional.
No, ma'am. That
For
will
the basic
only
20
2
grams,
rupees it will be.
for the basic 20
No, ma'am. It will be 2 rupees.
Vansh Balchandani, please listen. And Vedi, please sit with your remove this background, please. Vedi, remove this background. Okay, now listen this carefully. This is very, very important. For first 20 gram, if it is 21 also, so for 20 gram, the price will be 5. And what is the additional gram here? How much is the additional? Children,
Ma'am,
when I ask, you please give the answer. Don't sit with your mics off.
ma'am,
Yes, Drudra, tell me, what is the additional here now in the 21 grams?
means what is the price we have to give total?
No, what is the additional? Right now I'm asking what is the additional quantity in 21 grams according to the table?
Ma'am, I'm not understanding your question.
What is the basic quantity which I told? The basic was that till the 20 grams you will have 5 rupees only.
Yes.
And now your weight is 21. So how much amount they will charge from you for the 21 gram parcel?
Ma'am, I think 7.
Yes,
7
that
rupees.
will be 7. Prisha, can you please explain them how 7?
Ma'am, as see, 20 grams is paying rupees 5. So, if we want to pay 21 grams price, so it will be 7.
Because till Ashvi, please do not write anything in that chat box. Stop writing this. This is dollar sign. This is not rupee sign.
Ma'am, you can close the chat box also.
Yeah, I close. So if it is agar wo 20 gram ka parcel hota aapka, then they will charge only 5 rupees. Or it is less than 20 gram parcel, then also they will charge 5 rupees. But with the additional, if it is 22 also, then also the price will be 7. Why? Because this table says that according to this table, for every additional 20 grams means from 1 to 20, अगर आप उसके अंदर 1 से नेक्स्ट स्टेप जो आप ऐड करेंगे वो 1 से 20 तक का जितना भी ऐड करेंगे, they will charge only 2 rupees extra till 20 grams. If it is 40 grams also, the price will be 7. If it is 30 grams also, the price will be 7. Why? For till 20 grams, the price is 5, and additional 10 grams, the price will be 2. But after additional 20 grams, your parcel extended, the price will be different. Okay, understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if I say the price, the quantity of your parcel is 35.
Yes, ma'am.
The 35 grams. So how much amount you will pay? Children, please give me answer.
Ma'am, can you repeat your question?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
Samriddhi, please give me the answer. Please write in the chat box. I am going to open the chat box.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, please explain, Samriddhi. Others, please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, we are in
Prisha is wrong. Rudra Master is wrong. Vihan is wrong.
30 grams.
Yash is right.
It was 7 rupees. So, and then we will add 2 rupees because
Yes, Vedi. Now everyone is writing Yash answer.
It is 7.
It will be 7 because till 20 it was 5. It was fixed. Now, what is the additional grams added? How many?
Ma'am, I could hear only the question, ma'am. So last part I can't hear.
Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, I write 8 because, ma'am, I could hear that. I could hear what is 18, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to close the chat box. Vihan, okay, I understood. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now listen here. Yes, Rudra Master.
Ma'am, we see in the page number 145, the parcel weight is 50 gram or less is equal to 5.00.
Is equals to how much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? Yes, that one.
Yes.
Yeah, that we will solve it. Wait a minute. I'm giving you the examples. You try to understand it. As I said, according to the table which is given, if your parcel is 35 grams, how much you will pay? For first 20 grams, you will pay only 5, and the additional 20 grams, you will pay rupees 2. So additional 20 grams means from 1 to 20. If you add 2 grams also, if it is 22 grams also, then also you have to pay rupees 7. If it is 25 gram also, then also you have to pay rupees 7. If it reaches to 40 grams also, then also you have to pay rupees 7. Means still आप उस 20 grams के अंदर जब तक कि और 20 grams तक का आप ऐड करोगे तब तक आपके additional 2 rupees लगेंगे. Have you all understood this concept, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now go to the next. In your textbook, it is asking that how much will you pay? Children, you will not speak this answer. You have to write in the chat box and then I will check it. How much will you to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? Please write this.
Ma'am, chat box is closed.
Ma'am, can you open the chat box?
Just please read this. This is about the letter. This is not about the parcel weighing. There are 2 different blocks given in your textbook.
May I say the answer?
No. Wait a minute. There are 2 different blocks given in your textbook. One is for letter weighing. Wait a minute. Listen here. There are 2 different blocks given in this table. One is letter weighing. The price of weight of letter is different. The price of parcel is different. So please read that question carefully. Are they asking about the letter or they are asking about the parcel? In the first question, what they are asking? They are asking about the letter or they are asking about the parcel?
Letter.
Yeah, they are asking about the letter weight. So how much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weight 50 grams? Now I'm going to switch on my chat box. You have to write the answer in the chat box, please. Chat box is on. Once you write, after that I'll off it and I'll tell you what is the correct answer. I can see many of you are writing, but many of you are still confused.
Ma'am, I have written the answer 8.
You please write in the chat box. I will read everyone's answer.
Ma'am, I have write the answer.
Vihan, I will read. You please give chance to other children also.
Excuse me, Vihan.
Yes.
I have right the answer means what? What kind of English is this, Vihan? I have right the answer.
And
Either
they
you say I wrote.
so good.
I have
They are
written the
excellent in
answer.
English.
I have wrote the
You know, overruled all the other things in the other classes. Only in English class you are supposed to speak in English, and other classes anyhow you can speak. No, language is language. You have to follow the rules. Now don't look here and there.
I have
Samriddhi, switch off your mic.
Okay, now I am going to switch off my chat box. Yes. Okay, I am going to read your answers and will explain you according to that why you have written this. You have to explain me how you understood and why you are writing the answer. Mohit is writing 0. Excellent, Mohit. You will not pay anything for this, for 50 gram weight. Okay, Aryaman, Yash Desai has written 9. Samriddhi has written 2.5. Samriddhi, can you please explain me? For 50 gram weight, you will pay only 2 rupees 5 paisa or 2 rupees 50 paisa?
Ma'am, by mistake it wrote.
What will be the answer then?
The answer will be 8, ma'am.
8. Okay, can you please explain me how it is 8?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we had take the ma'am a minute.
Rudra Jajadia, you are. Can you able to answer this? Have you understood the topic which we are discussing today? Rudra Jajadia, I'm talking to you. Please turn on your mic and tell me. Rudra, switch on your mic, please.
Ma'am,
Yeah, no, I'm talking to Samriddhi only. Samriddhi, please answer me. I'm waiting for you. You have to explain me why it is 8. Samriddhi. Okay, Prisha, please explain how it is 8.
Yes, ma'am. I'll explain. As parcels weighing 5 grams or less will be 5 rupees. So
5
more
grams or
than
less, or we are not doing the parcel weight, letter weight.
letter weight. So letter weight will be 20 grams or less. It will be 5. Or there will be additional value of 20. Then it will be 2 rupees more. So the answer is 7.
So answer is 7. So it will be only 40. Where the 10 grams will go? Where the 10 grams will go? Ayush Singhania, please explain me that you have written rupees 8. How it is rupees 8?
Yes, ma'am, I'll tell. Ma'am, the postal items. So it says how much will you have to pay for.
Your camera is not on, please. Turn on your camera first.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
So it's like it's the question is how much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? And here it's in letter weighing it's written for every additional 20 grams and 50 is additional for to 20 grams. So 50 grams and it should be 2 rupees plus it's a printed postcard. So it should be plus
No,
6.
nothing is there. It's a printed postcard.
But ma'am, there are stamps, right?
Yeah, the letter weighing which is given here in your table, which is given 20 grams or less, till 20 grams or less we have to pay 5 and additional 20 grams we have to pay 2 rupees. So, but you have to send a parcel of 50 gram weight.
Yes.
How much amount you have to pay?
I don't understand what's inland letter.
But we are not learning here about inland letter is a type of a letter, that paper. I'll show you that also. The envelopes, the letters, postcard, everything I'll show you. But right now, we are doing about the parcel.
Ma'am,
We are doing the calculation only.
Okay, so
Can you tell me how much he has to pay for 50 gram weight?
ma'am, 8.
Yeah, that only you have to explain how it is 8. Please put your hands down. Yes, sit properly.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, okay. Ma'am, because it's
Please mute your mic. Some background voice is coming. Okay, now listen to me carefully. I am going to explain you. Vivan, sit properly. Sit attentive in my class, Ekansh. And try to understand what I am going to explain you now. Fazan, try to understand this is the new concept and this is the calculation which you have to do. Now there is a number 50 grams. 50 grams you have to break it. How you have to break? According to the price of the parcel. First, you have to break according, first is given 20 grams or less is 5. So you will write 20 grams. Then additional 20 grams. So 20 plus 20 is 40. Now what is remaining from the 50? How much? How many grams are remaining from
25.
See, first you break it into 20. Then you again break it into 20. Yes, Desai, can you tell me?
10.
Very
Then
good.
20. 10.
10. 10 grams are the again additional grams which are not according to the table. Because on first 20 grams, he will pay 5. Additional 20 grams, he will pay 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And the additional one, he has to again pay 2 rupees. Why 2? Why not 1? Those who have written answer 8, their answer is wrong. Children, on the every additional of 20, he has to pay rupees 2. Whether it is less than 20 or till 20, he has to pay rupees 2. Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
So the answer will be 9. Answer will be 9 because 5 of the rupee till 20 grams, 2 for the additional 20 and again 2 of the additional 10. Whether it is less than, if it is less than 20, you have to pay the 2 rupees. Now let's see here.
ma'am, I can't understand what you're saying.
See, I'm going to show you. This 50, can you see my cursor here? This 50 grams, we are going to break it into 20. Why 20? Because first 20 or less than 20, we have to rupees pay 5. Why we have not break them into 10 plus 10 plus 10? Can you tell me why? We can break 50 into 5 times 10, 10, 10, 10. But why we have not done like this? Who will explain me?
Ma'am, Vihan.
Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, because for every additional 20 gram, so ma'am, we have to add 20 gram only. So ma'am, we have add 20 gram. And ma'am, and adding 220 and 110, it will be shorter way. If we will,
because we have to see this table and according to the table, we have to break the grams. So first 20, that is compulsory, we have to pay 5. Next 20, we have to pay 2. And the next additional 10, we again have to pay 2. Now you understood?
No, ma'am, I don't understand why additional. What additional?
Additional means जितना भी अगर आप उसके अंदर add करोगे तो उसके भी तो कुछ prices देने होंगे. Because क्यों price less हो जाता है additional का? Because already you are sending something. Yes, already आप कुछ parcel अगर 20 minimum 20 grams के parcel के अंदर आपको you have to pay rupees 5. और अगर आपने उसमें 25 gram भी कर दिए, so how you will pay? उसकी calculation कैसे होगी? उसका 5 gram additional आपके 5 grams का 5 rupees तो pay नहीं करोगे ना? Have you understood this concept? Suppose your parcel is 25 grams only.
Yes.
Okay, but in the post office they are saying For 20 grams, we are charging only 5 rupees.
Ma'am, my
Wait a
battery
minute.
is not okay.
It's your choice now, Vivan.
Ma'am,
First,
class is going to end in 1 minute only.
yeah.
What
So,
he is telling me, Han? You cannot
no,
ask.
ma'am.
You cannot ask for leaving.
Its best battery is low. Put it on your put it on charger, please. Charging. Now listen, Ayush, pay attention here. Suppose you want to send a parcel, letter parcel or any parcel in the post office. They have given some criteria that this will be the price of the post your parcel. Okay, and you are going to send a parcel of 25 grams. But in their price list, they said if you send the parcel till 20 grams, your price is fixed, which is 5 rupees. If your parcel extend till more 20 grams, you have to pay additional 2 rupees. Okay, but how much, how many grams your parcel is extending now?
5 grams.
5.
No.
Then it is not like that you will pay only 1 rupees. Then for the additional, how much you have to pay?
2.
2. So what will be the price of your parcel?
9.
5
2.
plus 2 is
7.
7. Have you understood now how you have done 7?
Yes.
Yes, you have added the first till 20, it was only 5, and on the additional 5 grams, it was rupees 2.
Yes.
If your parcel extend to 30 grams, then how much you have to pay?
If my parcel extends to 30 grams, then how much to pay?
According to the table which is given here, the price list which is given here.
So 30 grams. And it's a parcel or it's a letter?
Letter weighing. Your letter weight is 30 grams. How much you have to pay?
Additional. So, ma'am, I have to pay 32 grams?
No, I'm asking how much price you have to pay. How much amount you have to pay. Just now till 25 grams you are paying 7 rupees. When it is extended to 30 grams, what will happen? Who will explain me what will happen? Please raise your hand. Ekansh, please explain me. Ekansh. Ekansh, sit properly and explain. Please explain me. If Ayush is sending some parcel, the letter weight of his parcel is only, before it was 25 grams and he said he has to pay 7 rupees. Now it is extended to 30 grams.
Ma'am, can
How
I
much
tell?
he has to pay? Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, here he has to pay 7 rupees only.
Yes, he has to pay 7 rupees only because the extended limit is up to additional 20 grams. Till if you reach to the additional 20, your price will be same. If you extend more than 20, then your price will be deferred.
Got it. Got it.
Got it now?
Yes. Got it.
Yes. And again, on the extended one, you have to do the same calculation, which is the according to the additional one. So now look here. That is why they break this 50 into 20 gram, then again 20 gram for the additional, and again 10 gram for the next additional. Understood now?
Yeah, ma'am. But I didn't understand the calculation with 30. Like
The same 20 plus 10. Understood? Once you do the practice, you will understand it. So the price of this 9 grams is The price of this 50 grams is rupees 9. So today we have learned this. I was trying to explain you this. Next class, we will do more about this post office and do more calculation. Thank you, children, for today's class.